Learn English. Welcome to English 8K Vocabulary. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Saturday, February 1st. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. I have 10 fingers and 10 on my feet. And number 2 means to be good, to be okay. Please listen and write this in your notebook. I have 10 toes. I have 10 toes. Toes. We all have toes on our feet. Now let's make a flashcard for toe. Please write toe up here in the top left corner. T-O-E. Down here, B-D-Y 1. This means body, level 1. Over here, the number 23 out of 25. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like O. Toe. Now we will do word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. The weather is fine. The weather is fine. Fine. The weather is good. It is nice. There is no problem with it. Now let's make a flashcard for fine. Please write the basic form up here in the top left corner. Be fine. We use be because it is an adjective. Down here, the code, A1, N2. A1 means adjective level 1. That's what we're learning now. Over here, the number 31 out of 88. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like I. Fine. Game over. It is time to go. Bob has 10 fingers and 10? Correct. Today the weather is fine. Yes, it's nice. There's no problem. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1 is a noun. It's like a narrow road in the forest that you can walk on. Number 2 means the wall that is not close to you. And number 3, Bob is tired. He will not play tennis. This is kind of a technical word. The missing letter in number 1 and number 3 is after Q in the alphabet. And the missing letter in number 2 is before G in the alphabet. My name is Vinny from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. We have 25 classes every month. Please write your language on the other side of the card. Join anytime.